korallen en bellen. Rijntje en Boukje. Boukje. Nee. Korallen has on the other side. Sally. But it rained a lot yesterday. Done with it. Charming, Bella. Aw. Sally. Oh. Coralle is moving that way, the leader, and Rijntje is following, and Sally is also following, but she's not finished yet. Sally! Oh. Bella? Bella en Blanke? Kom eens, Sally! Tje! Sally! Ja. Hey, Boukje. Blanke. En Bella. And a lot of water. Hello? Why? Sally? Sally? Oh. Oh, it's good for you. Well, here. These are distils. Don't know the English word, but they are very stitchy. And the flowers, when they are grow more, they spread all over. So I thought I cut them, and then I looked on Google if horses like it, and it says they love it, and especially the purple flowers. So Glendy, Daisy, Peach, Spidey, come! Can test it, but they like it. Hey, Spidey. They eat very carefully, but they like it. First I thought I'm going to cut it and throw it away, but this is much easier. Hey, Peach. Rijntje. Blomke. Oh, Boukje. Bellen. Hey. Sally. Oh, hallo. Korallen. Oh, be careful. Blomke en Sally. Goed zo, Sally. Sally. Goed zo. Hey, goed zo. I was riding with Sally and then I saw something. I don't like it because this is Jacobs kruiskruid. It's very toxic, and especially when the flowers go in the field and they mow the field and it's in the silage, the horses don't recognize them as toxic. But now I do, and now the horses do, because they won't eat it until it's dry. But I going to remove it or not. Oh, Sally is very afraid here. I don't know why. I hate this flower. Maybe that's why I not like the color yellow. Okay, that one's out. And I was walking here and I saw this kind of purple plant and I thought, what is this? But this is the payfoot. Never heard of it. So I searched on Google and it's also toxic for horses. So this one has to go out too. Bye. Whoa, there's another one. What started with this one, oops,